The crypto apocalypse. Why some investors will get wiped out in 2025. If you've got money in crypto right now, or you're thinking about buying into this mega bull run we're seeing, this might be the most important video you'll see all year. It's 2025. The crypto market is roaring. Prices are climbing higher than ever before. You think you've made it. Gains are rolling in. Your portfolio has doubled, maybe even tripled. And then, within days, it's gone. Everything wiped out. You're watching the market collapse. You're scrambling to sell, but it's too late. The money you've worked so hard to grow, wiped out. You're now many thousands of dollars out of pocket. This isn't some dramatic story. It's the harsh reality most investors will face in 2025. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the exact steps you need to take to not only survive this bull run, but to come out ahead, securing the kind of market-beating returns that could provide financial freedom for years to come. Because here's the truth. The top 1% of investors, they know how to plan for markets. They don't just rush into markets when they see prices rise. They have a clear entry and exit strategy. They know which platforms to trust and which to not. They've researched the assets that they're investing in, and so much more. In other words, they have a clear, structured plan. And if you don't want to be left holding the bag like meme coin chasers in 2025, then listen up, because I've seen it all before. Hello, my friends, the DeFi Doctor here. I'm the head of education at the #1 DeFi educational platform, Decentralized Masters. We've helped over 1,500 investors with a combined net worth of over $4 billion, and we've seen both sides of the coin. Ones who lose their gains and ones who keep them. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate this upcoming bull run like the top 1% of investors, making sure you not only secure some gains, but actually get to keep them. So let's dive in. First off, let's think about where we are right now. Donald Trump has secured his position for another 4 years. His administration is already rolling out crypto-friendly policies. Interest rate cuts are taking effect, pumping more money into the economy. ETFs are opening the floodgates for institutional money to flow into crypto. And history tells us what happens next. In 2012, after Obama's election, Bitcoin soared over 2,000% after a year. In 2016, Trump's election sparked a 950% annual growth for Bitcoin. And in 2020, under Biden, another 170% yearly surge in Bitcoin's price. Now, well, Trump has just been elected. And we're seeing the exact same thing. All-time high after all-time high. And we're at the very start of a new bull run. And the writing is on the wall. The crypto market is about to explode. But most people don't know how to navigate what's coming. They think a bull run is all about gains, but they couldn't be more wrong. They think about the upside, but not the downside. The truth is, bull runs don't just make millionaires. They also wipe out unprepared investors. Why? Because they didn't have a plan. They didn't protect their gains, and they didn't know when or how to get out. So, if you're looking to survive and thrive in this bull run, here are the biggest principles to keep in mind. Principle number 1, education is your best investment. Let me break it to you. If you're not constantly learning, you're already falling behind. The market moves fast, and if you don't know what's coming next, you're at risk of losing everything you've worked for. You need to understand how the assets you're investing in work, who the team behind it is, and many, many more things. And remember, when I mentioned having a clear entry and exit strategy, well, education can help you build that. Now, here's the good news. Staying informed doesn't have to be overwhelming. In fact, by committing just 1 hour per week to read white papers could help. For context, a white paper is a simple document that explains what a crypto project does, the problem it solves, and how it works. You can also regularly track industry news and join active free DeFi communities, so you can quickly get up to date with everything while growing your network of fellow investors. To find these things, you can head over to platforms like Misari or CoinGecko to get summaries on the white papers. For news, you can check out credible sources like Decrypt, CoinDesk, or The Block. Pay attention to updates on regulations, partnerships, and institutional adoption. These are the big drivers of change in the DeFi market. And in terms of community, there are many out there, but we've also got our own, and it's completely free. If you want to join, just comment below asking for the link, and one of our members will send it over to you. By just doing this, you'll find yourself ahead of the game while other investors scramble to catch up. And if you stick around until the end, I'll give you access to another resource that will easily allow you to stay informed to the fullest. And this brings us to the next critical principle that separates successful DeFi investors from everyone else. Principle number 2, security first, always. Here's the hard truth. In crypto and DeFi, you are the bank. And with that power comes immense responsibility. With the layers of protection that traditional banks offer, you're entirely in control. And that means you're also the one responsible for securing your assets. If you don't take security seriously, you're leaving yourself wide open to hacks, scams, and even simple human error that could wipe out everything. Let me ask you this. If your portfolio grew to $1 million tomorrow, how confident are you that it would be safe? Without the right precautions, that $1 million could disappear faster than you think. Hacks happen all the time in crypto. Phishing scams, wallet breaches, and smart contract exploits are more common than people realize. One weak point in your security setup could cost you everything, regardless of how much you've earned and how well you've diversified. So that's why securing your assets is absolutely non-negotiable. I'm not saying this to scare you, I'm saying this to prepare you.